Today, we're going on a full travel journey together. From the airplane to the airport to taking a taxi and checking into your hotel. But this isn't just a story. I'm going to teach you real English phrases that people actually use when traveling. We will practice shadowing together, and I'll explain useful vocabulary in simple A2 to B1 English. So relax, imagine the scenes in your mind, and repeat after me when needed. Let's begin. The airplane is getting ready for landing. You feel the plane slowly going down. You look out the window and see small houses, roads, and cars. You're excited. A flight attendant walks by and says, "We will land in about 20 minutes. Shadow, we will land in about 20 minutes. This is a very common travel sentence. Useful English, we will land in about, meaning the airplane will arrive in a short time. Repeat, we will land in about 20 minutes. Again, we will land in about 20 minutes. The captain speaks, "Please fasten your seatbelt." Shadow, please fasten your seatbelt. Again, please fasten your seatbelt. Fasten equals close/tighten your seatbelt. I want you to practice it again. Please fasten your seatbelt. The airplane shakes a little. You feel your ears pop, but everything is okay. Finally, the wheels touch the ground. You whisper to yourself, "I made it." Shadow, I made it. Again, I made it. You walk out of the airplane and enter the airport. There are signs everywhere. Passport control, baggage claim, exit. You follow the people. At passport control, the officer asks, "What is the purpose of your visit?" Shadow, what is the purpose of your visit? Useful meaning, purpose equals reason. Visit equals trip. So he is asking, "Why are you here?" You answer, "I'm here for vacation." Shadow, I'm here for vacation. Again, I'm here for vacation. The officer continues, "How long will you stay?" Shadow, how long will you stay? Again, how long will you stay? You reply, 1 week. Teaching moment. Short answers are okay in travel English. You don't need long sentences. You walk to the baggage area. The belt is empty. Slowly, it starts moving. You repeat softly, "I hope my suitcase is here." Shadow, I hope my suitcase is here. Again, I hope my suitcase is here. More bags appear. Finally, you see yours. Shadow, this is my suitcase. Again, this is my suitcase. Useful phrase, this is my suitcase. A two-level, extremely common. You grab your bag and walk toward the big glass exit doors. Outside, it's busy. Cars, people, bus drivers shouting. You find the taxi line. A driver asks, "Where are you going?" You say, "To the Central Hotel, please." Shadow, to the Central Hotel, please. Again, to the Central Hotel, please. The taxi starts moving. You look outside the window. New buildings, new people, a new life for a moment. The driver asks, "Is this your first time here?" Shadow, is this your first time here? Again, Is this your first time here? You answer, yes, it's my first time. The driver smiles. Welcome. You'll enjoy the city. Shadow. You'll enjoy the city. Again. You'll enjoy the city. Useful English. Enjoy the city equals like the city. You enter the hotel lobby. Warm lights, soft music. A receptionist smiles at you. Good evening. How can I help you? You answer, I have a reservation. Shadow. I have a reservation. Again, I have a reservation. She asks, can I see your passport? Shadow. Can I see your passport? Again, can I see your passport? She checks her computer and says, your room is on the 8th floor. Shadow. Your room is on the 8th floor. Again, your room is on the 8th floor. She hands you a key card. Shadow. Here is your key. Again, here is your key. You walk to the elevator. Enter your room. Put your suitcase down. Open the curtains. A city full of lights is waiting for you. You sit on the bed and breathe. Traveling is tiring, but beautiful. You whisper, I did it. I really did it. Shadow. I did it. Again, I did it. Final shadowing for fluency. Repeat after me. Traveling helps me learn English. Again, traveling helps me learn English. I can speak in airports, taxis, and hotels. Again, I can speak in airports, taxis, and hotels. I'm getting more confident every day. Again, I'm getting more confident every day. I learn English step by step. Again, I learn English step by step. Thank you for joining today's travel podcast. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.